First, enter the username and password to connect to the database. After connecting to the database, connect to the PLSQL to start writing the program inside it. After that, we will declare one variable inside declare section. Now we will test the condition that if a is greater than 35, then it will show the output that you are passed. If the condition does not satisfy the if block of code, then the program will go to the else part. If a value will be less than 35, then it will show the output as you are failed. Remember to end the if-else statement in PLSQL. Now we will test the output for both if as well as else. You can see the output that you are passed. Now we will check the else part. We got output you are failed. Thanks for watching the video.